Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of our tutorial about curtain walls, and yesterday we have learned how to place grid, curtain panels and curtain doors, and our today's tutorial is about placing mullions and placing corner mullions. Before we begin guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now we're going to continue these lessons that we have started yesterday, and we have finished placing curtain walls. Now next that I'm going to do is just open this out, and in south I want to make this one whole curtain panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, add remove, and I will remove this, and then remove the other one. Again we go back to this, you click this and add remove this, and then it's okay. Now next that I'm going to select is I want to select this this one, curtain panel. So that curtain panel is glazed, and I'm going to change it into our wall, which is generic model 200 mm. And then let's see it in 3D. Now it is like this. So next that I'm going to do is we're going to place mullions. So in mullions, if I'm going to click this mullions, we have three options. One is grid line. It means to say when you click this grid, go to south. If you click this grid, it clicks the whole grid line. And second is grid line segment. If I'm going to select this grid line segment, it will only select one segment. And if I'm going to select this all grid lines, it means to say all the grid lines will be applied to all of these grids. So what we're going to do is first I'm going to show you how to place grid line. So I'll click this, and then I'll place it here, and then okay, this is it. That is our first mullion from here to this end. And then I go back to south, and I want to place a mullion only into this side. So I want to place it only grid line segment. So I click this, and I click this. So now we'll see it in our 3D, and it is like this. And then again I'll go back to south, and if I'm going to click all grids, all of these remaining grids will be selected. Let's say I will select it, and as you can see, you go to 3D, and all of the remaining grids are selected. But there are some grids that we don't want to have, like here. So what we do is just select this place, and here, and then control, and then this one control also, and delete it. And now here is all our grid. Also this one we don't want to have a grid a mullion here, so just select this tab, and then I selected, and then again tab, okay, control, and then again another one, control, and then delete it. So now here is our selected mullions. So all mullions. Also here we don't want this to have a mullion here because this is concrete. So I'll select tab, Again, select this, because these are all three grids, so I need to select it one by one, and then tab once again. Okay, control, and then delete. And then again, this one, we don't like to have a grid here, so and then control, and then we delete that mullion, and then tab again, and then select, and then delete that mullion, and then we don't want to have a mullion here, and then tab again, tab, cannot select it. Okay, tab, and then delete, and then hide that element, and then delete, and then again tab, and then delete, and then again we open it, and here is our final product. Alright guys, we are another type of mullion, which is curtain wall storefront. So what I'm going to do is we're going to play on these mullions. So like we have seen mullions, and if you click that, if you click this storefront one, and we open it, and then in this one we have this curtain panel, system panel glaze. So a mirror type glaze. And then there is another one thing that we have here, joint condition. So in joint condition, there is vertical grid continuous, and if you click here and there is an arrow, you can make vertical grid, horizontal grid continuous, and border and vertical grid continuous, border and horizontal grid continuous. What is that meaning? So here you can see all of this vertical, it is continuous like this. As you can see, this is continuous. If you don't like to be like that and you want horizontal to be continuous, just go back and then go to this horizontal grid continuous, and then hit apply, and then what you can see is now like this all. And then another thing, there is another option, there is another option. If you go back, and then border and vertical grid continuous. So if you will click this and apply, all of this border and vertical grid continuous, border and vertical grid continuous. So now I'm going to select the other one, border and horizontal grid continuous, apply, then OK, here horizontal, so here is the meaning. And the next thing that we're going to do is again we'll go to this top view, elevation 1, level 1, and I want to remove this concrete here, because this is concrete. I want only to show these two mullions. As you can see at the top, there is a concrete here, and this mullion is there inside. It's not showing this border mullions. So what I'm going to do is I need to remove this part. So how to do that is just click this, and there is wall opening, and in wall opening we can make it wall opening horizontal like this here, and then you can see it there, in our 3D. Now it's gone and it's showing this, and you can move this up, you can drag it up to the point where it is horizontal to that mullions. And then also here I will drop it up to the place where all of these mullions is already showing. So now those corners are already here, those two corners, one corner here and one corner there, so both are now appeared. So what I'm going to do is I want to change this corner. So to do that, first we need to unlock, select this, and there is a lock. And then also this, I select the other one, there is a lock. And then also here, select this one, lock it here and lock it there. And then also I select the other one, tab, and unlock it. So since it is already unlocked, we can both select. So we can select it like this, and then you can go to this filter, and in filter you just remove this rectangular straight wall opening, uncheck, and then curtain wall mullions is only selected, and then okay. And then when you do that, there is here what you call this one, an options. You can place this corner as L mullions, quad mullions. As you can see, if I click this L mullion, this one will become L, you delete it, and it will become L corner, like this. Okay, we will place this one L corner. So again, here on this part, we'll place all of that corners so that you can see what is there, what options you want to place. So this is L, and then I go back to level 1, and then this concrete corner here, I need to remove this corner. So what I'm going to do is again click that, and again wall opening, and I can draw a wall opening. Opening from here to here, and if we go to 3D, and then here is the wall opening that we have created, we will drag it up to the place where both are showing, and you can drag it more. And also here you can drag it also. Okay, drag it there, and I've dragged this one also, drag it a little bit more. Okay, now both are now showing, and then again we need to select all these things. So I'll select all this by selecting a band, and then go to filter, and rectangle is straight wall, and check, and then apply, and then we have this. And okay, so if you do this, still we cannot see this unlock key, unlock. So what we do is we need to select it one by one, unlock it, and then also again here we select it, and then unlock it, and then again select it, and then unlock it, and then again we select all like this, and then go to filter and uncheck this rectangle straight wall, apply, and then okay. And then there is still, I think, a wall that is not locked because it's not appearing. If it's not appearing, we haven't unlocked some tab, yeah, this one. So again I go back and then select and then go to filter and then rectangle, apply, and then OK. Now we can select. So we will select. We have select this L corner. So let's try this quad mullion and then delete, and then now it's like this. It's a quad mullion. Quad is means four corners. Quadrilateral mullions. Okay, and then the other one, I'm going to remove this wall again here so that these both two mullions will show. Then I'll go back to my level 1 again, and here I select this, and what I'm going to do is draw a wall opening again, and I draw wall opening going here one. So I'll just drag this here and then go to 3D, and I have this, and then go up to the point where it is already parallel. And then again here make it parallel to the mullion. Now more, again little bit more. Okay, now you can see it both, and what I'm going to do is I select this one mullion here and unlock it, another one mullion here, tab, and then unlock it, and then these two, unlock it, and then the other one, unlock it, and then I'll select both, and then when I selected hide this, hide element, and then this both and this one already lock. Okay, maybe go back to filter, only mullions. It's okay now only mullions, and now we can go to this we already know that this is rectangular. We use this I want this trapezoidal mullions, and then delete. Now it's trapezoidal like this. So we have all the difference. This is L, and this one is quad mullions, and this one is trapezoidal, and the other one we will use this V shape. So again I'll go to that level 1, and I want to remove this, and then again I'll select this and wall opening, and I'm going to make a wall opening. Okay, I'll go to 3D, and here, and then what I'm going to do again is just drag this up, and I'll drag this up also, now both are showing now. And then what I'm going to do is unlock it, and then the other one I just tab it, and then select it, and then the other one unlock it, and then other one select, unlock it, and now I select all, and then filter, and then I go and uncheck this rectangular straight opening wall, apply, OK, and now I can select another type of V corner mullion. This V corner I selected, and then delete elements, and now it is V corner. This is V. It's like this. So, alright guys, that's all for today, and we'll continue tomorrow. Bye bye.